What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be wrapping the upper intake manifold cover and the two fuel rail covers on my 2019 Corvette Grand Sport. I'm going to start by pulling the fuel rail covers off. Ignore my hands, I know they're ashy.
Ashy Larry.
But yeah, first we're going to remove this fuel rail cover to expose the two 10 mils that's holding up the upper intake manifold cover. Also, this is optional. You don't have to remove these tabs, but I'm going to do it. It makes the job easier. So I'm going to take a pry tool and remove the 4 tabs so I can move this wire more freely. And you have to take off your pressure sensor to remove this also. All right, so I got these tabs out. I just used the pry tool right here. Pry those out. To unhook your pressure sensor, you're just going to take a flathead, push the blue tab over, squeeze the middle tab, and just work it out. Now I've got to take my my size 10 and take these bolts out, and then it should be good to go. All right, got those out. All right, so I'm just gonna take the Scotch pad and then just basically sand all this extra red off, and then clean it, and yeah, should be good to go. All right, so I cleaned this. I just did alcohol on it too. Well, I cleaned it with soap and water first. Then I did alcohol, let it sit and dry, and then I just used the heat gun, just went over it, just like to warm it up a little bit. And now I'm gonna take my pieces and I'm just gonna lay them on here now. I'm not gonna film that because like I'm trying to concentrate on this shit, and I don't want to mess this up. So once I put them on there, I'll show you what it look like. Alright, this is it right here. It looked way better than what I thought it was going to look, to be honest. All I did was put them on, and then after I put them on, I just locked it in with the heat gun. So now onto these, and should be back to reinstalling them. So this is the final look of the upper intake manifold. Looks good. This is the fuel rail covers. Both came out real good. I'm not going to show me the process of me putting them back on. I mean, just reverse the steps that I showed y'all at the beginning. And I'm just going to put a picture of the finished product. But I hope this video helps somebody out. I'll put a link in the description where I got this from. The vinyl. Remember to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Until next time.